excuse its nakedity, but this is called a Palm Pico key. And I just traveled to Ontario. I was there for a month, and I brought this one with me and a 3D printed key that hasn't been released yet to try it out. And this is all I traveled with because I didn't have a lot of room in my luggage. I'm not going to carry around my pound-and-a-half Bengali when I'm traveling on an airplane necessary.
Well, I'm not making fun of you, but I don't like all these like micro mini keys that fit in your prison wallet. Like that's the one thing that when I try to learn about CW and I watch these guys, they're like,
"Welcome to our show, Vince."
They're like, I've never heard that term. That's hilarious.
But they're like, I can keister my entire station. They've got like a key that's this big, and they got this little teeny Altoids tin radio and an antenna that's like made out of thread. And I'm just like, I need a man's key. I don't want to be walking around with some mamby-pamby.
That's probably the guy that goes home with the 10-watt girl. I'm just saying.
Right. So speaking of questions, Jesse in the chat has been asking a question. Why does it need 3 wires? It's because it needs to have a ground and it needs to have a left and a right. And when you send with a paddle, you're sending a da with one digit and a dit with the other digit, or you can squeeze, and that's a whole nother principle that we'll get into a little bit later.